Hi folks, this is E.T. Prepper. Got a question for you. What are you looking at here? You're looking at almost a gallon of water. How are you going to put all that in your bug out bag? If there's an emergency and you got to run, and where you're running has water, well, why do you need to carry so much water? They say a gallon plan for a gallon a day. Well, I have an idea for you for your bug out bag to have a container to hold enough water for your day. Let me show you. Alright, I'm kind of full now. I just drank all that water. Now my bottles are prepped and ready. Ready for what? Well, I'm going to show you how to store these. This nearly gallon of water, actually better than 3 quarts. How to store it? Well, first thing we're going to do, we take the cap off, and then we're going to fold these. These are the new super thin water bottles. So we fold the bottom up like so. Notice how tight I'm doing that. Just roll it up, and then you squeeze that down. Now what we're going to do is we'll put the lid on, and that'll hold it. It'll hold the vacuum that's in it. But I'm going to show you another trick besides that. Okay, folks, ideally you get most of the air out of them. Okay, now you're looking at a gallon, nearly a gallon of water right there. 3 quarts, a little bit better than 3 quarts. Now what I'm going to show you is another part of the trick. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I'm going to store these in such a way that your bug out bag is not overwhelmed. Now I'm going to crack these lids open just a little bit, so if there's any more air that I can get out of these things, I'll get it out. But we need a small package, the smallest package we can possibly have, thinnest, lightest, smallest. Now this is what I'm doing. I'm vacuum sealing my bag here. So let's see if I can get this to where it looks neat. Usually form follows function. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's sucking the air out of that thing. You can hear the bottles crinkling. Hear that? Now it's sealed. Now we're going to cut off the excess. There you go. Now what does that look like, guys? Does that look like that's a day's worth of water right there that you can store. Okay. Now we're going to open this up and inspect it and make sure our water doesn't leak. Okay, that holds the vacuum very nicely. Here's how you fill them up. There's your bottle right there. Let's fill it up, see if there's any. Be right back. Okay, here we go. Put the lid on it. Now we're going to check it for leaks. See that? So all that vacuum sealing and everything else, there's your bottle of water. No leaks. So I say we have a successful water storage system that takes minimal amount of space. Thanks for looking.